Hey everyone. So as we discussed last night, there was a huge drop, but the drop is more than expected because of the Trump's tweet again on China tariffs. So let us wait for it to go above the so based on the SPX indicators. We mentioned like bear calls at the top of the band. So if we get bear calls, we can enter the shorts. So we are expecting SPX to stay somewhere in between by end of the day. If it stays within this box, both iron condor 1, iron condor 2 will make nice profits. So if price breaks this resistance, then it will go all the way till 67.20. If not, it can touch this and start reversing back. So if price stays in this box, then we'll make more profits with iron condor 1, iron condor 2. But if it breaks it, then there is a little risk. That's why we trimmed 80%. We can do pair calls on Eclipse 11:25 to 11:30. Close the iron collar too. Today evening, natural gas and crude oil will be more bearish in the evening hours. Silver and gold will go up. Yeah, Jigan, please go.
Yeah, Kishore Garu. Kishore Garu, for tomorrow, I bought 6715 6710 SPX puts, the spread put.
Bull puts.
Yeah, bull put 6715 6710.
Yeah, it's the support. So mostly it should be bullish tomorrow. Resistance
Sorry.
in it. Mostly, yeah, SPX, yes, they should be bullish. It came all the way down as we discussed last night. Touched the resistance, came all the way down and started bouncing. So yeah, there is a high possibility for it to go up again tomorrow.
Up to 6740.
Yeah, somewhere close to 6740.
Oh, thank you. And today the gold bull puts are eat me bad, but the SPX things are worked and I covered my losses. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, GC went all the way to nearly 170, 180 overnight, but again it dropped. Otherwise, the today my nice profits.
Yeah. Yesterday night I was following futures or future market also. It was doing good, but I don't know. Suddenly morning.
Yeah, morning again it dropped.
Yes.
Yeah. Vikram,
Yeah.
do you have any
Thank you.
question?
Yeah, Kishore garu. Yeah. Can you? I added today Webull stock. It's dropped to 1050. Is the right time to add it, Kishore garu? Some more, or is there a time bond? Yeah, that.
Support is at 10.5.
Yeah. At that time, I added.
If it comes below 10.6, you can add few more.
Uh, what is the target? How much it can bounce back, Kishore garu?
Yeah, 11.6.
Okay. 1.6. Okay. Seg, Kishore garu, Seg, SCGU. Siege second.
What is it?
Siege. Yesterday you recommended that one
Oh,
in
okay.
group.
Yeah, but we can still hold.
How much it can go? 380 around? Possible?
Yeah, it can go until yeah, tomorrow if we have a bullish trade, we'll go 20, 30 points up. The resistance is around 398.
Oh, okay. Thank you. That's it.
Mm. Yeah, sure, please go ahead.
Yeah, the market bias was bearish, right? Why the first call was taken as bull puts? I'm just confused.
Yeah, because
Ideally,
there
it should
was a
be a bear call.
mhm. Again, there was a
Okay.
huge drop, so that's where I mentioned immediately book the profits.
Oh, okay.
So there were some nearly more 20, 25 points up, and then again it started dropping.
Okay. In that case, do we need to wait till 10 o'clock, or is that a good idea?
Then again, if you are a scalper, you can take uh, even before 10, but if you want to take low risk, better to wait until 10.
No, in this case, can you please tell? In this case, the bear call, right? Do we need to wait till that bear call symbol comes at the bottom, right? At the two times. If I
So, yeah.
follow.
First thing is you wait until this 9 Central or 10 Eastern, where it will give you
Correct.
the market bias.
Uh-huh.
After that, if it says that bear call, then whenever you see bear calls, you take the So because there was a huge drop, I expected a reversal. So because it dropped nearly 40 point, 50 points,
Oh, okay, okay.
more 20, 25 points up. That's where we took the bull puts. But yeah, if you want to take low risk, just yeah, it is better. You only take whenever you see the bear calls, you go up and take bear calls.
Okay.
You can do
Understood.
50 delta bear calls.
Yeah. And I took the 6 months thing, and can you please give me the access to the SPX and cancel
Mhm.
my regular thing?
Yeah, that monthly plan, you can go ahead and cancel it. You can go to the bot and cancel.
And it is up to tomorrow. So 23 is my last day. Okay.
Yeah,
Can I
because you
cancel it?
already have, yeah, you can cancel.
Yeah, yeah. Currently, I have both of them today. Yeah.
Right, just for 1 day. So if you go ahead and cancel yours, because anyway you have 6 months plan, that will keep your plans everything active.
Understand. Okay, okay. So please give access.
Yeah. Yeah,
You want me to
Shilpesh.
put it in the chat? I already mentioned in the.
Yeah, I saw that in the Ninja bot. I give the access.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Mhm. Shilpesh, do you have any questions?
Yeah, sir. Actually, for indicator, like, I'm just wondering, like, when I will get like indicator, like which I have already.
Which plan you have?
350.
When did you subscribe?
Around 19th October.
Can you put your username in the?
Yeah, I
In,
just okay. Let me.
did you put it in the Zoom chat or did you put it in
Yeah,
the?
in Zoom chat yesterday I already.
Okay, you can add one more time.
Thank you.
Yeah, Dipin, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishorji. Just want to ask, what were your thoughts on Tesla earnings today?
Yeah, he was bearish for Tesla.
Okay. Did you look at daily sell blocks or anything, or how did you figure that out?
Yeah, basically there were no buyers close to the current price.
Okay.
Also, it already moved much. It is near to the top in the daily.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, sir. Please go ahead. Do you have any questions?
Uh, Yes, yes. I just want to ask one question. Like, the indicator I am seeing right now here, like in Tesla, like upper band and lower band. Is this a Bollinger band or some more calculation is there in this?
Yeah, there is a lot of customization. It's
Yeah.
not just Bollinger Band.
Okay. Okay. I understand. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. The GC today did not show the levels, the resistance and the support levels, short levels. I copied the same file, but only GC didn't seem to be showing the levels.
If you don't see the level, just see if there are any commas are missing. Here, after 4203, I think there was a comma missing. Generally, after every so which are 1 comma 4203 comma which are 2 comma. So yeah, just there might be a typo here. So yeah, just if you add a comma, it will show all the levels.
Also, Kishore, I requested for access to SPX CS indicator. I updated the indicator sheet and also pinged you on the algo bot and the Zoom chat as well.
Yeah, I will add it.
risk or something.
Yeah, Anand, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, yesterday night I took long with the GC, but by morning it all went down. Is it still okay to hold it?
Yeah, you can hold it, but we discussed about the target also, right? Last night.
I missed
That would,
it.
yeah. But yeah, otherwise it went nearly, we discussed to take profits at 41.60. It went to 47.77 or something, and then it dropped. Uh, yeah, but you can still hold it. Today again it will go.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. This is extra of zero you are
Yes,
reading.
Kishore.
Uh, who else was asking for this one? Someone mentioned the average to 6 months. Today evening, silver can go to 49 plus. Yeah, S&P is good.
Oh, sorry. Kishore, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Hey, Kishore, I have the the three indicators, but I don't get this tags like buy next, bull put or bear call, those things. I just see the charts, but I don't see the labels that you have it on your screen. Can I share the screen so you can see?
Yeah, no, I get it, but yeah, basically this SPX credit spread or NDX credit spread, they are for 6 months subscribers.
Oh, okay.
So if you have 6 months subscription, then you'll see this, yeah, this indicator where it will tell you what is the market bias for the day, and then
Okay. That's for 6 months. Okay.
this, this indicator is,
Kishore, can you hear me?
yes, it please guide.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for all the updates. I don't want to sound negative, but this week's trade have felt like a roller coaster on my end. So the usual indicators aren't really giving reliable signals. And while you have managed to stay profitable, I've been struggling to find my traction.
Yeah, everything,
Let
whatever we are discussing, they are working, right? Exactly. Silver, we got the short move, we got the long move, ESNQ. We discussed it will there will be a big drop today. Right? If you attended meeting yesterday,
No,
I mentioned that.
I didn't attend yesterday. I missed off.
So I
And
also post the
also,
recordings immediately. So even whatever we discussed, YM, RTY, ESNQ, everything, there was a big drop today.
yeah.
And nearly that the initial bull put also it went nearly 30 points up. But even if you missed booking that, nearly iron condors, nearly 70-80% profit, iron fly $200 profit, bear calls 100% profit.
Mhm. Yeah, sure. So what happens is when you're watching you and the Telegram channel, there is a lag. So we may miss out. So it be my recommendation is whenever you're taking these iron condors or iron fly, if you can just make an announcement, then we'll go to the Telegram channel and look for those trade details. That'll help because today I missed both. And then when I was focusing on gold, and that tanked as well. Then and I tried to roll over, and it didn't quite uh, fulfill that for me either. So something, whatever I'm touching is going against my um,
Yeah,
thing. And
gold.
anything that I make, I'm making good profits on stocks, but then the options trading is offsetting everything that I have made. So
So
something.
you can if you're so again I'm posting in the indicators channel, I'm posting in the options channel, and when I am also announcing wherever possible. Because iron fly, iron condor, you will have so many legs, so it is difficult to announce
Yeah,
or difficult for you to catch all the legs. So that's where I'm sharing
correct.
along with the screenshot everything.
Or
So
even if you make an announcement that I've just posted, take it, and then we should be able to take it. Sometimes I don't get to hear what you're saying. I don't know if you're speaking when but there was a lull.
even
Uh,
I market the levels. I
uh-huh,
mentioned that it will stay between that 6700, 6660. We
yeah.
did the iron call, so we did a bear call above 6700, 6700, 6730. We did a bull put like 6650, 6680. That means, yeah, iron condor would have made 100%, but just to mitigate the risk, we took the profits. Iron
I know,
condor one, iron.
Kishore, you with your account capacity, you
No, you don't need any account capacity, right? Even if you have $1,000 or $1,500, you can. I whenever I right when I started the live session, I immediately marked the levels, and I told that if it stays in this box, we'll make nice profits. So it went all the way. So then we made nice profits with both iron condor one, iron condor two. And once it started, it went all the way to the top. Then we saw that there is a sell block. Then we took a iron fly. So if it could have dropped some more, we'd have made nearly $1,000 with iron fly. Because there was a sell order block, we took another bear call spread here. We made 100% with that. So
kind of was like, I was very skeptical when I lost the gold trade. And
it happens, right? In trading, we'll not win 100% of the trades. So
yeah,
just if we lose with one trade, we'll
even
cover with.
10% is a challenge for me, the trade that I take, I end up in a loss. Like, I've seen even some of the members who are taking it, they are also ending up in a loss. So especially with my luck, I think whenever I take if you put 5 trades, and if I take 2 out of the 5, the 2 ends up in a loss. And 3, which I don't take, ends up in a profit. Like the last 2, Iron Condor and Iron Fly that you took, you ended up making money. I did not, because I didn't take the trades.
So whatever we took in last 1 hour, everything made nearly 100, right? Iron condors we booked little early, otherwise they would have made 100%. Iron fly made 200, bear calls made 200, $200. So yeah, last 1.5 hour, whatever trades, right? Immediately when I started the session, I told that price will stay between these two levels.
I didn't hear that.
Yeah, and that's why I am disabling everything, marking it, so it will be easy for anyone to see like where is the top, where is the bottom. So you can always do bear calls above this. You can do bull puts below this or bull puts around this area because there was a huge drop, then there was a retracement here. Your T5. So that's where, yeah, understanding the logic of the indicator, right? T5 came to the bottom, then it started going up. There was a nice gap here. It went all the way to the top. So if you see price
And even
pulse,
my prop up counts, the one that I passed, I'm almost limping. I'm down 1,500 on that by just taking the micros.
yeah, that's what, right? Yesterday, even in the live session, we took GC micro with 2 micros, we made $500-600.
I know, I read that. I missed out that one.
We discussed about ESNQ also dropping. Yeah, but yeah.
So what do you think is going to happen tonight and tomorrow? Any indications of how
I
it's
already
going?
mentioned it. Crude oil, natural gas are looking very bearish. So tonight we'll see a nice drop on both of them.
Okay.
Silver, gold will go up, and ES and NQ we may see a bounce on ES and NQ.
Okay. We'll have a session tonight.
Yeah, every night we have a session. Yeah.
Okay. I'll join. Thanks, Kish. I
Sure.
don't know, like, other members, I've been sounding negative, but I'm really trying very hard in order to make my daily income. I'm unable to do that. So if there's any tips from anybody else that can help, it's going to be appreciated.
Mhm. Right. Uh, so yeah,
I just want a
right.
general consensus of
Other than
people are
live
making,
sessions,
yeah.
right. So we are in live session, and every day I'm doing that. Whenever I start the live session, I draw the levels, or I draw the top and bottom. 90% of the time, it stays within that box. So that box will help you to determine where you have to do the bull puts, where you have to do the bear calls, where you can do the iron condor. You can go up, do bear calls, go below, do bull puts, or go somewhere in between, do a short iron fly like that.
Hello.
Yeah, Bunny, please go ahead.
Yeah, Kishore. So could you please explain me when you mean like 20 delta, 50 delta? So what is that, Andy? How much gap we need to take from the indicator? If the indicator says bull put 6660, so wait to take 20 delta and 50.
20 delta means your premium you have to collect around $100.
Okay.
Right? For example, it says bull put 20 delta. That means you will go some 10 points down. You take a bull put.
Okay.
50 delta means at the same price, whatever is it, it's 6660. Then you will take 6660 bull put 6660. You sell 65, you buy 60, then you collect around $250 or $240.
Okay.
That is the 50 delta. That means on a $500 for $500 risk, you are taking nearly 50% of the profit or 50% as the premium.
Okay.
That is 50 delta. So generally, right, for example, in the morning time, you saw bear calls. If you don't want to keep watching the charts, just you go do a 20 delta, right? Go a little bit up, take a 20 delta. Then 95% of the time, it will stay below that price by end of the
Okay.
day.
Okay.
But if you are looking, then whenever you see bear calls, you can do a 50 delta. Here you got a bear call, you can do 50 delta.
Okay. So for silver, what is the mini and symbol? It's a MSI or is there anything different?
SIL, micro is SIL.
SIL. Okay. We can play features, right, Andy, for SIL?
Right.
Okay.
For stock, for ETF, it is SLV.
Okay.
But for futures, it is SIL.
SIL. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Pradeep, do you have any questions?
Okay, sure. Again, same thing. I do have a 6 month subscription. I don't have access to the SPX indicator. Is something can you grant me?
When did you subscribe for 6 months?
Yeah, it's been a while. It's been more than a year.
Can you put your username
No. Yeah, you want me to put in the Telegram chat?
in the Zoom chat?
Okay.
Sukit, do you have?
Yeah, Kishore. Yeah. So I have ASML Bullput for 1031. Is it still good to hold until 1031 or
Yeah, we can hold it.
okay.
Can you add mine also, sir? K-Siva 100. KSIVA 100. Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, if anyone is a low risk trader, just follow this, and then just you either you can do 20 delta whenever you see this. That means you go 5-10 points up, you do a bear call. If it says that bear call at top of the band today, or whenever you see the bear call symbol, you can do 50 delta. In the same way, yesterday we got a bull put, right? Or We got bear call at top of the band. So bear call, bear call. And before that, we got a bull puts. Bull puts at bottom of the band. So we got a bull put. We got a bull put. So yeah, if you're a low risk trader, just to follow this one simple one indicator, that is good enough.
So do we need to exit when it says, suppose if you buy bull put, when it says bear calls, do we need to exit the time or we can hold it?
If the overall market bias is bullish for the day, then you can take 80% profits when it goes all the way to the top, and then you can let other 20% expire. Most
Can you
of
go
the
to
time,
today's chart? Can you scroll to the last? No, today we got bear call, right? Yeah. In the last bear call, for example, if I entered a credit spread, can you scroll? Yeah. Whenever the bull put symbol comes, and then should we sell all of our trade or?
you can take it 80%. You keep 20%. If you have 4 or 5 contracts, take profit on 4, hold 1. So here
Okay,
you
okay.
got bear calls. So you'll go a little bit up and you take the bear call and collect the credits. So most of the
Okay.
time it will stay below that price. But just to mitigate any risk, you trim 80% of the profits here when you get a bull put sign. And then if it stays below that price, then you can make 100% of the remaining contracts.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm asking again same basic question. So how do you decide what strike price we need to take for Ivan Condor?
For iron condor, for example, you got bear calls, right? Market bias is bear calls. So you just go a little bit up and you take the bear calls. You go 30 points below and do the bull puts.
30 points below bull put, okay.
If
And
if
above,
if the market bias is bearish,
yeah,
whenever you see bear calls, just go 5 points up, do the bear calls,
okay,
and then go 30 points below, do the bull puts. In the same way, if the bias is bullish, whenever you get a bull put, just go little bit below and then do bull puts, go 30 points above, do the bear calls.
okay, thanks.
Yeah, Rajesh, do you have any questions?
Yeah, hi, sure, Gaurav. Yeah, I have a question regards to the multiple market flows the last 2 3 days. So today we had an opportunity around 6,655, right? Around it came lower of the band. So any reason why you wouldn't go with the bull puts during that time?
We took the iron corner. So basically, we took a bull puts. We took bear calls at the top. We took bull puts. So we made profits. We took 30-point bull put there. We collected nearly $1,400. When price went up, we took nearly $700 profit on that. So iron corner is a combination of bull put and bear call.
Okay. Okay. So no separate bull put call today, right?
Yeah,
Individual
because
bull put.
with a bull put, we generally make 100 200. Instead of that, we took a 30-point bull put. We did 66 60, 66 90 bull put. We did 66 50, 66 80 bull put. And then we went above 6700 and we did the bear calls. So
Okay.
if we'd have held it until last minute, we would have made 1300 on each contract, 900 on second contract, nearly. But yeah, we whenever it made 50 60%, we took the profits.
Okay.
Because overall bias was bearish. That's where again we did not take a separate pull put. But again, when it came all the way to the top, we did a bear call again 6705, 6710 bear call. That also made 100%.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Kishore.
Sure. Yeah, Krishna, please go ahead. Yeah, Rajal, please go ahead.
Yeah, now on your chart, right, you see that that's straight square lines that you see, right? The green one right now, and sometimes it's right on the top. Is that a part of CS?
It is part of the SPX credit spread indicator.
Yeah, I have it, but for whatever reasons, I don't see those lines.
You have to
I think,
delete and create a new tab and add it back.
oh,
That
it's
is
been
the way.
okay, but it's an updated one though, the one I have right now. Okay, I'll do
But
that and
sometimes,
see.
yeah, sometimes because of cache memory, you may not see it. So always better you create a new tab and add the indicator. You'll see it.
Got it, got it. I couldn't take most of the trades today. I opened the trade and I couldn't close it because we had issues with Webull today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that
SPX was
AWS,
frozen in time.
yeah,
Their
AWS
coach
issue
there,
is
yeah.
still impacting
Yeah, I
us.
think they have a third party person called Opera or something. They were having issues and all that stuff, so I couldn't. Uh,
Right, right.
I couldn't even close trades when the issue out.
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
sure. Krishna, do you have any other questions?
ఇండికేటర్స్ కనపడట్లేదండి ఇంకా ట్రేడింగ్ వ్యూలో.
You have to log out and log in.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఇండికేటర్ నేమ్స్ ఏమని స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి?
Pretty, you have three indicator plan, right? I gave futures level manager T5 and MTF future scan. Those three
ఓకే.
indicators will help you every day to make $400, $500 in the evening time.
ఓకే. ఓకే. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తారా అండి ఆ ఇండికేటర్ నేమ్స్? సారీ. T5
Futures
ఒకటి.
FL, yeah, one is T5,
ఆహా!
second is FLM, futures level manager.
ఓకే.
Third one is the future scan, MTF future scan.
ఓకే. షూర్.
Yeah, once you go to invite only, you will see those. Once you log out, log in,
ఓకే.
you go to the indicators, and then you have to click on invite only. Then you will
షూర్.
see your.
ఓకే.
Can I get
ఓకే.
that future scan one?
Yeah, you can put your username.
I did in the chat.
So Kishore, what does that green line or red line mean, right? That line, is there a specific, it tells you the trend or what is it telling us?
That is the strong support area. So generally,
Okay.
right, yesterday I mentioned that if you are close to the resistance, then there can be a huge drop. If you are
Yeah,
close to the support, there will be a nice bounce. So yesterday we were close to the resistance yesterday evening for NQES.
got it. Okay.
That's where yesterday evening we discussed there can be a huge drop today with NQ and ES.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. And for SLV, you said it's going to go up to 49 overnight.
Silver, yes. Yeah. So naturally, if you see natural gas,
Yeah.
crude oil, you are close to the resistance now. So mostly tonight we will see a huge drop with crude oil.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at silver because I bought some dips, but it further dipped further, right? Silver has been and gold have been not been behaving for the last couple of days.
Yeah,
So
because
just trying
nearly
to see,
last
should I
one, two
add more?
months, whenever you get a pullback, you can add. Don't just add at
So
the
I
top.
added like something today for 43, 40 or something like that. I don't know if that's and you said so I put a sell price of 49. Is that be good?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. But how do you know it's going to go up to 49 is what I was trying to say. How do you get the levels?
This is your support area. So
Okay.
price touched the support area and your resistance is somewhere actually at 51. But in between you have some sell blocks.
Yeah.
So this is where you have some major sellers.
Good. Okay. Okay. I
So
see
it
that.
will go all the way till that point. GC yesterday we saw
Yeah, we
resistance
took
like
a hit on that, right? Yeah. Today we had a call. Yeah.
Yeah, that the
bull
bull
puts
puts
on
we
that.
had, yeah, because
Yeah,
last night it went nearly 41.70, 41.80. It went all the way to 41.75, but again dropped during Europe.
yeah. Okay,
Again,
yeah, thanks.
yeah, trying to bounce 41.60. If it breaks 41.60 again, then 42.40 is possible.
Okay. Um, and I should be able to see this on SLV and GLD too, right? These same levels
Mhm.
in terms of the blocks. So currently
Yes,
the gold basically has a resistance at 381.5
right.
and SLV is around 44. Can you check if Corby will, do you think Corby will hit 144 or something like that? So, yeah, because there's on a daily one, it has a 28.9 million at 144. Do you think?
Resistance at 126.
Okay. So for earnings, you look at daily, but for swing, you use hourly. Is that correct?
Right.
Okay, because I was still looking at daily and there is a block of 28.93 million at 145.
Yeah, daily is for long-term investment. It may take 1 2 months to reach there. So if it breaks this hourly resistance, then yeah, it can go all the way to 139.
Got it, got it.
Before that, it will go here, then do a pullback, and again next time it may break the resistance.
All right, okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, Ramesh, please go ahead.
So for ASML, we're still holding the bull report. Okay, but what is the
Mhm.
status? Because I took for this week instead of next week. So is there a way to we can reach 10:35 before this weekend or day after tomorrow?
Yeah, I think it is risky for this Friday because SPX is little bearish today, but tomorrow if SPX and Q everything starts going up, it can go all the way to 1050.
Let's see some volatile things.
Mhm.
Regarding CEC, Kishore, we're still holding that, right?
Yeah, we are holding.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are holding that. If we see a bounce tomorrow. Yeah, Sandeep, do you have any other questions?
No, Kishore, I forgot to lower my hand.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So just watch yesterday's live session, evening live session, where we discussed everything Today also we'll discuss which tickets can move up, which tickets will move down, which is the best one for overnight trading, all those things. So you can take the trade in the personal account or in the prop accounts with micros. Bye everyone. Talk to you later.